So let's talk about Google News. Google News is a pretty cool feature offered by Google. You find it the same as you find the other applications that Google has. It's under the waffles, and you have to click on more and even more. And it's under the media tab. So here I see Google News. And basically, what it does is brings up what looks like any other news page. But what's really neat about this is that you can personalize it to meet your needs. So if you're somebody who's really into fashion, if you're into sports, you can really zone in your feed into the things that you want to find more information about. For me as a teacher, I find it to be more important to find out some things about current events. But again, Google is amazing because it offers everything to everyone. So if you come to personalize, you can scroll here the news that you want more of and take away the things that you're not so interested in. So with 9/11 being tomorrow, I might want to always have a little bit more information about that. I might always want a little bit more information about what's going on in the world and in the US, but maybe not so much about what's going on with entertainment and sports. Okay. Another thing that I can do is where it says add news topics, I might want to add in something that's relevant to me. So again, as a teacher, I might add in that I want to know a little bit more about education. Okay. And now that will be added into personalized news for me. I want to know a lot more about it, so I'm going to scroll up to always. So on the left-hand side, you'll see what some top stories are. Again, if it's something that pertains to you, you can click here and find out a little bit more. I do really like this because it comes from a lot of different news providers. So I see CNN, I see Computer World, I see NPR, a lot of different places that I would typically turn to for information, all is filtered into here. As you scroll down, you'll see some other things that are pretty cool and that can pertain to you in particular. So you can choose your location. You can add in your zip code, and it'll tell you what's going on in your area. So right now, mine's already set from where my hometown is. I also really like that each news topic is broken down by category. So I found business now, I found technology. So when I'm in my class for technology, I can talk about things that I've noticed that happened in the past couple of days. Again, as a teacher, sometimes this is one of those really cool things. If you have those extra 10 minutes left in class, you can come here and say, find something new and relevant that happened today or in the past couple of hours pertaining to technology. So here I see something about the iPhone 7, which I'm sure is going to be a huge thing coming into the high school in the next couple of weeks. Also, what I really like about filtering my news is that I can change the perspective. So right now I have US edition, but if I maybe wanted to know what is what's England's perception of what's going on in the world, I can change and look up some papers about what's happening in England or someplace else abroad. I hope this was helpful and have a nice one.